Hi, I'm Cadet John Martin Piala and I'm here to you to share my understanding and my reflection about the subject, the marine environment. So we will start. What is marine environment for me? So marine environment for me, something related to morphology of the near shore, offshore, and deep water zones of the oceans, and also includes the marine biodiversity such as fishes, corals, and etc. Now, as a future seafarer, um, we also need to be knowledgeable about the responsible of the cleanliness of our marine environment. So for me, one of the major sources of the marine pollution or marine pollution is the oil spill. So oil spill, we know that oil spill something ships major contributors to the ocean pollution, especially when crude oil spills occur. The crude oil lasts for years and in the oceans, and it's very difficult to clean up. So when there are ships that capsizing and the oil spills to the sea or to the ocean, it is very difficult for it to clean up. So that's why it takes years to clean it up, and it may affect thousands of marine lives. And the second one is the littering of the garbages, improper littering of the garbages. So atmospheric pollution, which is refers to the objects carried by the wind of the ocean, and it's a big problem. It's a big problem. It's such as plastic bags, styrofoams. We know styrofoams. Containers become suspended in the water and don't decompose or not. It's very difficult to dissolve. So that's why some fishes may um, we all know some fishes may eat plastics because they thought that it was a food. So it may affect also the marine lives also. Now the impact of marine pollution to the humans. First is the harmful to the marine animals, humans, and shipping industries. The second is depletion of the depletion of the oxygen in the ocean and the seawater. And third is the threat threat to human health. Threat to human health because we humans, we also eat fishes, and we don't know that some of those fishes already eat plastics. So it may also harm our um, health as a human. So we are fortunate that some of our or most I mean the maritime related experts already come up with the idea of the Marpol Convention, or the protection for the marine environment or the marine pollution. So as I have searched some of my some of these topic, Marpol Convention was adopted November 2, 1973 at the IMO, or the International Maritime Organization, or International Maritime Organization. So the Protocol 1978 was adopted in response to spate of the tanker accidents in 1976 and 1997, because those years there are many accidents happens in the sea, and they are already harming the sea. So that's why they come up with this idea. They come up with this idea to save our marine biodiversity and our marine environment. And the Marpol Convention is consist of 6 annexes. And as I have searched, the Annex 1 states the regulations to the prevention of pollution by oil, and it is entered into force on October 2, 1993. The second one, the Annex 2, states the regulations to the control pollutions of the noxious liquid substance of the bulk carriers. So it is entered into force on October 2, 1983. So 10 years earlier than the Annex 1. The Annex 3, which states the prevention of the pollution of the harmful substances carried by the sea in package form, because there are also package form that consists of toxicity, and it is entered into force on July 1, 1992. And Annex 4, Annex 4 states the prevention of pollution of prevention pollution by sewage of the ships, and is entered into force on September 27, 2003. The Annex 5 states the prevention of pollution of garbage of the ships, or the proper disposal of the garbage, and it's entered into force on December 31, 1998. And lastly, the Annex 6, the prevention of air pollution from the ships, and it is entered into force on May 19, 2005. So thankful for the Marpol Convention. They already made the annexes is for us to guide and for us to protect our marine environment. And as a future seafarer, it is our responsibility that we should be knowledgeable so that we can save our lives, we can save environment, and we can save our family. I'm Kadejan Martin Piala, and that's my understanding and my reflection about the subject. Thank you.